Hey everyone, today I'm going to share some life-saving hacks you absolutely need to know. These are practical tips that can come in handy in various emergency situations, and knowing them could be the difference between a minor incident and a major disaster. These tips could make a huge difference in an emergency. Whether you're at home, at work, or out and about, being prepared can save lives. Let's dive right in. First up, if you get a foreign object in your eye, don't try to remove it yourself, except for an eyelash. Attempting to remove it could cause more damage. Wash your hands thoroughly, locate the eyelash in a mirror, blink to produce tears, and then gently remove it with a damp cloth. This method helps to avoid infection and further irritation. For wound treatment, avoid using ointments as they can create a moist environment for bacteria. This can lead to infections and slow down the healing process. Instead, clean the wound with cool water and soap, then apply a dry bandage. Keeping the wound dry and clean is crucial for proper healing. If someone has a fever, don't rub them with alcohol or vinegar. These substances can be absorbed through the skin and cause additional health issues. This can be harmful, especially for children. Their skin is more sensitive and can absorb these substances more quickly. Provide plenty of non-alcoholic fluids, keep the room at a comfortable temperature, and let them rest. Hydration and rest are key to recovery. If the fever persists, consult a doctor. Persistent fever can be a sign of a more serious condition that needs medical attention. In case of fainting, don't lift the person or sprinkle them with cold water. This can cause shock and further complications. Loosen tight clothing, let them lie flat and elevate their legs. This helps improve blood flow to the brain. Allow them to stand up slowly once they regain consciousness. Avoid giving them caffeine as it can increase heart rate and cause further issues. For burns, don't apply butter or sour cream. These home remedies can actually do more harm than good. These can trap heat and worsen the burn. It's important to cool the burn down as quickly as possible. Hold the burned area under cool running water for 15 minutes. This helps to reduce pain and swelling. And remember, don't remove blisters. They protect the underlying skin and help prevent infection. If you suspect broken bones or dislocations, don't try to set the bone or joint yourself. This can cause more damage and pain. Immobilize the injured limb in a comfortable position and seek medical attention. Proper immobilization can prevent further injury. Got a sprain? Don't apply heat initially. Heat can increase swelling and inflammation. Use a cold compress for the first 48 hours to reduce inflammation and swelling. This helps to manage pain and speed up recovery. For poisoning cases, never induce vomiting unless instructed by a medical professional. Some substances can cause more damage if vomited. If you're rescuing a drowning person, approach them from behind to avoid being pulled under. Drowning victims can panic and unintentionally harm their rescuer. Grab them under the armpits or by the chin and tow them to shore, keeping their head above water. This ensures they can breathe and reduces the risk of further injury. Lastly, if you encounter deeply embedded objects, don't try to remove them. Removing them can cause severe bleeding and further damage. Seek professional medical attention immediately. That's it for today. Remember, these life-saving hacks could truly make a difference. Stay safe and see you next time. Stay safe and see you next time.